Let's test your history and geography knowledge. Which ancient city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD? The correct answer is B. Pompeii. Which river is traditionally considered the longest in the world? The correct answer is B. Nile. Which empire built an extensive road network across the Andes Mountains? The correct answer is C. Inca Empire. Which country has the greatest number of natural lakes in the world? The correct answer is C. Canada. Who became the first emperor of Rome? The correct answer is B. Augustus. Which is the largest hot desert on Earth? The correct answer is D. Sahara Desert. Which civilization built the city of Machu Picchu? The correct answer is C. Inca. Which country shares land borders with both Spain and Italy? The correct answer is B. France. Which event directly triggered the start of World War I? The correct answer is C. Sarajevo assassination. Which ocean contains the deepest point on Earth? The correct answer is D. Pacific Ocean. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments.